If you want to add another account in Zoho Mail and manage multiple email accounts in one place, this guide will help you do it and without confusion. Many beginners struggle with this feature, but once you understand the steps, it becomes very simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process in a clear and beginner-friendly way. First, open Zoho Mail in your browser and sign into your primary account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, look for the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. Inside settings, find the option called Mail Accounts or Add Mail Account. This is where you can connect another email account to your Zoho Mail. Click on Add Account to begin the process. Now you will be asked to enter the details of the account you want to add. This includes the email address, password, and sometimes server settings like IMAP or POP details depending on the provider. If you are adding another Zoho account, the setup is usually automatic. For other providers like Gmail or Outlook, you may need to allow permissions or enter server details. After entering the information, click on Add or Verify. Zoho Mail will then connect to the other account and start syncing your emails. This may take a few moments depending on the number of emails. Once the account is added, you will be able to switch between accounts or view emails from both accounts in one inbox, depending on your settings. This makes it easy to manage multiple email addresses without logging in and out repeatedly. In short, go to Settings, add a new mail account, enter the required details, and verify to start managing multiple accounts بسهولة in Zoho Mail. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.